Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the app and a signed-in Google account. Open Google Opinion Rewards now and tap through the initial prompts. Grant location and notification permissions so surveys can be matched to places and times. Once done, confirm your preferred payments profile and country. That determines whether you get Play Balance or direct payments. Make sure your account information, including name and birth year, is accurate to avoid payout holds. Start by checking the app home for any pending surveys right away. You'll receive short surveys via notification. Open them fast because they can expire in hours. Read each question carefully and answer honestly. Inconsistent answers can reduce survey access. After submitting, you'll see the earned credit applied to your balance. This can be Google Play credit or a linked payments balance depending on your country. Once credits appear, they're usable for purchases or withdrawing if your account supports it. Keep location and activity enabled to increase survey frequency over time. To spend credits, choose Google Play purchases and the balance applies automatically. If your country allows payouts, open Payment Center to withdraw to your bank or Google Pay. Confirm your payment profile and any required tax details before requesting a transfer, since missing info can block withdrawals. If balance doesn't update, force close the app, clear cache, and ensure the app is up to date. If that fails, contact Google support from the app settings. One key tip: screenshots of missing credits help when you open a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.